Hi guys, in today's video we will learn how you can join a remote company part-time or full-time. Perhaps you'd like a change for career, want to try something new, or would benefit from a scenery change. In such cases, working remotely can be a breath of fresh air as well as excellent opportunity to earn some money on the side. Many companies are looking for a employees remote employees, and it doesn't matter where you are from. According to Upwork, 22% of the American workforce will be working remotely by 2025. That's an 87% increase compared to before the pandemic. Start on a part-time basis and you might like it so much that you want to work full-time. Look for possible options by checking out online career listing or visit one of the following sites I will tell you. Solid Gigs, number one. Solid Gigs is a nice platform. Flex Jobs, remote, we work remotely is a nice platform too. The types of remote jobs available vary considerably, varied considerably, such as such positions might include a designer or a working in customer support. It's a simple case of finding and working. Finding a job you like and apply for it. Level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, or expert. And requirements: the right skill of job you're applying for. The time of money, it will say the time required for earning is instantly, and tools is knowledge and experience to help you secure the job. Income potentials are $20,000 to $1 million per month. And the next topic I will talk on is narrate audiobooks to make money online. The audiobook industry has experienced dramatic growth in recent years, which means there's a significant demand for audiobook narrators. The popularity of audiobook books doesn't seem to be slowing down either. It is expected to extend at a compound annual growth rate of 24.4% from 2020 to 27. And there are no reasons qualifications for this online growth, but you will need a great speaking voice or enjoy reading. One of the quickest and easiest way of starting your narrating career is to sign up with a platform connecting authors with audiobooks narrators. Here are some examples where you can look. ACX is on number one, then comes Voices, and there is Audible and Brilliance Audio, voicefunny.com. You're going to need to invest in some good recording software and a top quality microphone. Start by creating some samples so that potential clients can hear your voice. Another good place to look for work is Upwork. This freelancing website will help you expand your search. And level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, and expert. Requirements: love of reading and a great voice. Time of earning is instant. The tools required: recording software, a good quality microphone, somewhere quiet to make your like a studio to make the sounds more better to hear. And the income potentials are $100 to $500 finished per hour. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.